we have a health update from Evan Ferry. And this is somebody who we have not seen in a very long time, because this goes all the way back into January in Supercross with his Achilles injury. And other than some Instagram posts and not really much of any sort of update, well, as I'm looking at it today on his Instagram, this is a long one, so grab some popcorn, settle in, because he says, quote, "Been really quiet on social media lately. Decided it was time to give everyone an update. My return to Pro MX was delayed coming off of the Achilles injury I suffered in Supercross. During my rehab of the Achilles, it was discovered a health issue I've been fighting my entire life wasn't what I had. I was diagnosed at 12 years old with a low blood pressure POTS-like condition. Moving to Georgia had me seeing new doctors. I had an appointment with a POTS specialist I waited for 11 months for. I was told that day she believed that I had another condition entirely. It was confirmed to be May Thurner's, which is a condition I had no idea I had that was actually worsening. It didn't seem real. After years of managing it the best we could and still being able to compete at a high level, it is feeling like a miracle that there was a fix. My condition cut off the blood return to my heart and lungs, resulting in low blood pressure, asthma, and POTS-like symptoms. I had stents put in June that have allowed a normal return of blood flow. My lifestyle and training was always different from others because of it, and since the surgery, my BP has regulated, my heart, lungs, and brain are all functioning at a level I have never had. I have been able to stop my BP medication, asthma medication, and salt supplements. I am very blessed God put me in a position to put the right people in the right places to find the issue and fix it. Since the procedure, I have rode a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I felt enough like myself today on a motorcycle to actually get the confidence to even write this after the wild year I've had so far. I will dive deeper into exactly what I had fixed physically one day and make a really cool video of the lifelong battle I have fought up until a couple months ago, but that time will come soon. On the bright side, I'm extremely grateful for David Eller and the whole entire Phoenix Racing Honda for all the support, and I'm super excited to get back to work this off-season and come out swinging in Supercross again next year. But for now, enjoy the videos, and I'll see everybody at some off-season races." It's good news. I mean, obviously for him, for his family, for his team, everybody, to find out something is wrong, and have it actually fixed instead of, medication has been on and obviously things that haven't been working for him. So if this is a true fix, if he's actually, healthy now or going to be healthy and can start racing again, and who knows, this could seriously help him turn around a career. If you're going to have more energy, you're going to be able to train better, you're going to be able to recover better in between races. It's only a positive. Obviously, we have to wait and see how this works out in Supercross coming up, but I don't know. That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you ready for the SMX playoffs? Obviously, outdoors is over now. Those two boring seasons or boring championships are done. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.